Apple's next flagship is coming, and it's nothing like you've seen before. This is the iPhone 17. Let's break it down. Say goodbye to the old design. The iPhone 17 Pro is getting a total makeover. Thinner bezels, slimmer dynamic island, and for the first time, a horizontal camera bar on the back. It's also lighter thanks to a shift from titanium to aluminum, and there's a repositioned Apple logo to support Vision Pro-style spatial tracking. The cameras are getting serious. We're talking a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with improved low-light performance and AI-powered depth mapping. Night mode and video stabilization? Next level. Under the hood, Apple's new A19 Pro chip. More efficient, more powerful, and ready for iOS 26's AI features. iOS 26 brings a full visual overhaul with the new liquid glass UI. Everything is smoother, more translucent, and deeply animated. Plus, new apps like Apple Games, smarter CarPlay, and battery-saving AI tools. Launch expected mid-September 2025 with prices starting just under $1,000 for the base model. And yes, Apple might drop a new budget iPhone 17e early next year. Same look, lower price for the win. Are you hyped for the iPhone 17? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for the full deep dive when it drops.